my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your Apple Watch Series 3 when you're swimming in the pool. The laps don't show because probably the 2 times when I went swimming today and last Thursday, it kept on not like recording my laps, so how many laps I've been doing, but it was doing how much calories I did and stuff. It didn't show the yards and the laps. But the only thing I just found this out now by trying it. I just turned off the entire Apple Watch off and back on again, and then I put in new swim, and then now it works. Now I got 4 laps and 99 yards, so yeah. So yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below, hit that bell icon to get notified when I post a new video, and see you in the next video. Peace.